Alright, what's up YouTube? Got the box in my car. I know it's been a while. I've been busy. Here's the sub. Here's the nice box. Coated with Raptor liner. It's a spray-on bed liner. Turned out really nice. Nice texture. Really tough too. So that's what it looks like inside the car. This peel and seal is still holding up pretty good. Haven't had any issues with it peeling off or anything. Still working pretty good. Another thing I also did, painted the hubcaps. Looks okay. I mean, for a $10 thing, it makes the car look a lot better. Alright, now for the system. Alright guys, I came over to Home Depot. Didn't want to disturb anyone by my house because this box is really loud now, especially outside of the vehicle. That's what it's looking like from the inside. Let's go ahead and play some music. Alright, sorry guys, ran out of memory and I ran out of battery on this camera, so I'm gonna go ahead and start another song.
Icy, in the freezer, cause I'm so icy. In the freezer, in the freezer, cause I'm so icy. I'm so icy. Cause I'm so icy. In the freezer, I'm so icy.
Alright guys, so that's the difference that a T-line subwoofer box makes. I gave a demo to one of the car audio guys at one of our local shops. He said it was one of the loudest single Alpine type bars he's ever heard. He said it's probably as loud as 3 of them. But not all the sound quality is there, but it still sounds way better than my old box, which was tuned to 27 Hertz. This one's tuned up to 31. So if you want to know if I like it, the answer is yes. I love this box. It made a huge difference. Never go with that one again. Thanks. See you later.